So I got this PlayStation 3 at launch, which I believe was November 2006. I paid
$599 US
for this so I could experience real-time weapon change.
Real-time weapon change?
Okay, so to successfully take apart your PlayStation 3, you need a broken PlayStation 3 and a screwdriver, which we have here. I used to always clean this shit too. I'd get like a vacuum, and I just would, if you could say, just jam it up against these vents and all the different vents and stuff. But I knew the thing was so jam packed. I knew that over time shit would get dusty. It's got the heat sink set up there, which is pretty cool looking. Dude, the launch PS3, granted it was expensive as shit, but like the design and the architecture behind it, as confusing as it was for every developer, so fucking cool, man. Like, we're not gonna see systems do that anymore. Everyone's just gonna use easy to do, developer friendly, which is better. I mean, it definitely is better. But I miss that shit. Ken going out on stage with his white suit, telling people what the fuck is up. So I don't care about ripping shit apart, which I'm doing. Ooh. Yeah, we'll get... Oh, shit. So I remember in the pictures, the fan's big. It's just one giant freaking fan. This is crazy, dude. Like, this is all metal, and it's, like, really heavy. Like, this whole thing is, like, solid. Dun, dun. And then, like, you can see the precious cell. It's just such a giant hunk of metal. It's just insane. Let me take this thing off. I remember buying this thing too. PS3, 2 would come in each box, like if UPS came to a store or whatever. And I think I was in the mall, and it was like a GameStop, and I saw the UPS guy, and I saw his inventory coming up in the mall, and it was 2 PlayStation 3s. So I dropped the $600. And I think I only bought Resistance. I didn't even know what the fuck else would I buy. Ridge Racer 7.
Ridge Racer!
Alright, so I'm just gonna take off all this metal shielding. What is this? This isn't the Wi-Fi card, is it? Oh yeah, it is. Oh, cool. Okay. The processors are here. Now hold on to this. You know, they could puncture the battery, it's gonna fucking blow up. Look at that. I'll save this bad boy in case you know, one of the fire alarms go low. Maybe this one's got some juice left. I'm gonna fuck around with some shit, right? Because that's what we do. That's what guys do. They just fucking, they break shit to try to fix it. And then when they get frustrated, they break it more to try to come up with a point of why they did it.
Ridge Racer.
Okay. Figuring things out. There's these little clips here that hold something down.
The essence of the PlayStation DNA is real change,
which is based on Japanese history. Being based on history, the stages of the game will also be based on famous battles which actually took place in ancient Japan.
With PlayStation 3, we are taking it to the next level.
Real-time weapon change.
Ridge Racer! It's Ridge Racer!
There you go, there's PS3 ripped apart for your viewing pleasure.